Alright, this is page 240 in your stab book. And before we began, I already wrote out King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Yes, I did the B, not the U. You're going to see that being interchangeable because I know that Ms. Vilsack uses the U and I was taught with the B. So I'm trying to switch back and forth, but whichever one you pick, roll with it. And just know that if I put B, it means U. If I put U, it means B. Alright, we're on the same page for that. Alright, 21. Maya has a piece of cloth that is 8 3/5 meters long. How many 15 centimeter pieces can she cut from the cloth? How much will be left over? Okay, so again, it says how many 15 centimeter pieces. So we're in meters. We go from 8 3/5 meters to centimeters. Means we are going to have to move our decimal to the right 2 places. 835 centimeters. She says how many 15 centimeter pieces could be cut. Alright, so if we know we're being cut, it's division. And 15 is on the outside because we're doing 835 divided by 15. Alright, so go ahead and divide 835 by 15. And I got 55. So we'd have 55 15 centimeter pieces. And then our remainder is 10, so how much will be left over? 10 centimeters will be left over. Alright, 22. I'm going to let you guys do 22, 23, 24, and then come back and we'll kind of check our answers and see how you're doing. These definitely take a lot more practice than some of the other word problems that we've been working with. So hang in there and I promise you it'll get easier as we go along. We have a lot of homework to do, so we're going to have a lot of practice. Wow. Alright guys, welcome back. I have color coded everything so that you can see my work on things. For 22, this one's kind of easy. You just kind of only had to convert one, which was nice. The 880 meters needed to be converted into kilometers, so I have that over right here, 880. So also make sure that our decimal places were all lined up. I feel like that was something that threw me off. Possibly could have thrown you off as well. It says, where was it? Oh, on each of the next 3 days. So be careful and make sure you're reading carefully because we needed to multiply 3 times 80 and 78/100 kilometers, and that's how I got the 242 right there. And then you add them all together and it's $678, or sorry, 678 and 22 kilometers. There we go. So for 23, Paula's painting as a perimeter. This one was kind of basic, kind of simple to the point. 1 47/100 meters converted into centimeters is right here. And then I just did 147 divided by 25. And that gave me a nice 5 88 hundredths, or we did 5 and like the remainders, of course. So I just went ahead and round up because you're not going to round down because you need the rest of that. You need that remainder to cover the perimeter, and I went ahead and rounded that up to 6 pieces. The next one for Maddie and her dog collar. It was easy to do the clasp and the name tag, to add those together first, so I didn't have to worry about converting. And then 1 meter of a chain, it's $9.75, and then I made sure to convert my centimeters into meters, which I have that here. And then it said to estimate, so I went ahead and just made my numbers pretty, and $9, so my answer was definitely reasonable with $8.62. So again guys, these are going to take a lot of work, a lot of persistence, and I know we can do it. I know we can work hard together. It's going to take us a lot of motivation, maybe to get us wanting to remember about King Henry died unusually by drinking chocolate milk. Hopefully that can stick in your head and we can recite that. I'm going to skip 25 because I know you guys have worked super hard on these. So come to class tomorrow ready to roll and ready to start Unit 8.